How to enable Find Hub on your Android phone. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down through the Settings menu and tap Google. Next, tap All Services. Scroll down until you find Find Hub, then tap on it. On the next screen, tap Find Your Offline Devices. Choose the option that works best for you, such as with network in all areas, with network only in high traffic areas, or without network. After selecting your preferred option, go back to the previous screen. After that, scroll down and you'll see two ways to use Find Hub. Find Hub app, tap it if you want to install or open the Find Hub app from Google Play, or Find Hub web. Tap it to open the Find Hub website, where you can locate your device from any browser. Once you open the app or website and sign in with the same Google account that's on your phone, you'll be able to see your device's location on the map. You can also use options like Play Sound, Mark as Lost, or Factory Reset device if needed. That's it. You've successfully enabled Find Hub on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.